Good morning, everybody. This is Anna with Little Sunshine Playhouse Preschool of Roswell, and this morning we're gonna make some bird feed ornaments that you can hang on your tree outside. It will be great for bird watching afterwards and some good really investigation that the kids can write down or draw what they're seeing outside with the little birds and all the different kind of birds that are gonna come over and eat their little ornaments. Things that we're gonna need this morning are plastic straws. We're gonna need gelatin, the unflavored, so it's like a white powder. You're gonna need cookie cutters. I have Christmas trees, a lot of them apparently is my favorite, but what works best is hearts and stars, which I did not have. I do have a little Christmas box ornament that I used. You're gonna need a measuring cup. You're gonna need bird seed. You're gonna need cold water, a half a cup of that, and then a half a cup of boiling water. And I had my tea kettle going for that. So we're actually ready with the tea kettle, and that's hot. This part, make sure an adult does. You'll wanna put the hot water first, half a cup of that, into your container. And then you're gonna mix in, the recipe actually calls for 2 packets of these, but I'm finding out that 3 works better. And what this is gonna do is really stick everything together. So we're gonna go for 3 packs instead of 2. And you're gonna just mix it all together. And it looks a little, it's a little yellowish. There we go. And then you're gonna add your half a cup of cool water to this. I almost forgot one very important part because we need something sweet to attract these birds too. Corn syrup. I happen to have dark corn syrup because I like making apple caramel applesauce. You're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of these. And pour that in there. I'm eyeballing the whole thing, of course. There's really no wrong or wrong or right. It's corn syrup. Who doesn't like a little more sugar in it? And you're gonna mix all of that together. After you do that, then the kids can pour in all their bird seed. All of it, and it's 2.5 cups. So there's 2 cups, and here's the other half. Put that to the side. And then they get to mix it all together. And mix it well together because we need it to stick when you put it in. So we're gonna mix it. After they mix it all together, you wanna stick it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. After it's in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, you're gonna notice that it's a little stickier. I'm gonna skip that part right now only because we're making the video. But what's gonna happen after you take it from the refrigerator, you're gonna have your cookie cutter and then your cookie sheet. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna scoop it in there. And you're gonna fill it all in. It's really about 2 to 3 inches in thickness. So it's really kind of chunky, which is really nice. I'm only using the Christmas tree right now because if you use something that has too many edges, it's really hard to come off. It'll end up just coming apart. The straw is important. You want to cut it about 2 to 3 inches so you can cover the width of your cookie cutter. When you place this, don't place it right at the end. Place it a little bit lower. And what that happens is as it dries out, you're going to stick all of this back in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. But as it dries all completely, it'll have that hole in the middle. So that way you can put a string in it. When you're all done with all your cookie cutters and all of your feeders, you're gonna stick this overnight actually, and that will make it get hard. And after it gets hard, then you're going to have something that looks like this. Well, something that looked like that.